Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. Well guys, once again I welcome you to my IELTS video, and in this video I'm going to share a story of half band increment in IELTS speaking as well as IELTS writing. Well, this is surprising that in both modules actually the band score increased, and by half band, I mean this is a sort of a miracle. And sometimes let me tell you that half is the most wanted half, okay, because you need that half band, and that half band changes your life. That half band makes you qualified for certain things. Imagine you need 8,777, you get 8, 7, 7, 6.5. Now you cannot use this IELTS because you need 8,777. So in order to get 8,777, you'll have to try again. So this half band makes full difference when it comes to IELTS. So one of my students, she's from Indian Punjab, and she had appeared in her IELTS exam, and after getting the result, her result was good. Listening 8 band, reading 7.5 band, writing 6 and speaking 6, and that made overall band score 7. She was not happy with that result. She was actually confident that my speaking and my writing, they are far better than 6 band. And then she asked me for EOR, and I'm very careful at times. I say, well, if you are confident, then you go for EOR, and otherwise I don't know about you, I don't know about the language skills you have and all that. So she went for EOR, and she was quite lucky that on 7th April her EOR result was announced, and they increased her band score in speaking module by half, from 6 to 6.5, and in writing module by half, from 6 to 6.5. Now see that in both modules. Now what does that mean? What does that mean? Was it the mistake of the examiner? And by the way, this is not new. There are hundreds of cases of EOR, and I think, according to me, if the student is genuine means the student is confident that yes, I deserve more band, then in around 70 to 80% cases the band score increases. I've never heard any case where the band score decreased. There are only two options. Either your band score is going to increase, or the band score is going to remain same as it was, right? So anyways, whenever the band score increases, now see, there are 2 question marks. Because IELTS speaking paper is marked by different examiner, writing paper is marked by different examiner. So there are 2 question marks. One question mark on speaking examiner, that speaking examiner could not judge the ability of the student up to that level, and second question mark is on the writing examiner, that even writing examiner failed to judge the student. And by the way, this is just the case of half band. I have seen the increment of 2 bands as well, from 5 band in speaking to 7 band. Right? So I mean, examiners really need to wake up. Enough is enough. You're playing the future. You're playing with the future of the candidates, future of the students. This half band can get you the visa if you get that, and this half band, if you don't get, that can make you stay in your own country, and that can be the last chance of someone who is availing this IELTS test, because the fee and all that, there's a lot of pressure. So I think the examiners, that's why I say IELTS is the only test where you have to pay to make a complaint. If you want to make a complaint, I'm not happy with my IELTS result, they say, okay, pay half of your test fee and then we see. And if the band score changes, they return your fee. If there is no change in the band score, then your fee is gone as well. Anyways guys, thank you very much. If you are confident, genuinely confident, and do not expect any band increment in listening module and reading module. By mistake, if something has done, then you can. I've seen one case only where the band score improved in listening as well. Otherwise, I've not seen any case. But whenever you apply for EOR, apply EOR on all 4 modules. And when you are confident only, then you must apply for EOR. And I truly wish you all the best with your IELTS tests. Okay, work hard, improve your skills, improve your abilities, improve your English language, and that is going to give you your desired bench score. All the best guys. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you a fantastic bench score in IELTS, and I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.